is the life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart will show somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it glows. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone.
You all enjoyed this really nostalgic video. I wasn't sure if I was even gonna actually talk about the footage that I showed in this 5-year later day in the life of a software engineer, but I just feel like I had to because it was kind of a tearjerker looking back at how far I've come, and I'm just extremely grateful for you all as a wonderful community who's been supporting me for nearly 5 years now, actually more than 5 years now. And hopefully this video can serve as inspiration, especially when you look back on your life, whether you're reading through your journal entries years ago or looking at photo or video of yourself. Sometimes it's good to look back in the past to see how far you've come in order to propel you in the present moment. Amazing journey of starting out with the day in the life of a software engineer has led me to be able to work with some of my favorite brands, including today's sponsor, Farfetch. Thank you to Farfetch for sponsoring today's video and for sending over some resort essentials. The vibe that I decided to go for is this resort type of look, and I can't take credit for this. Farfetch has a curated list of items. If you're looking for a resort outfit, I wanted to add versatile, high quality pieces to my wardrobe, while also going for a minimal, airy kind of look. So the shirt I received from Farfetch is a textured Our Legacy box shirt. This shirt will be the center of my summer rotation. The Bodhi Winter Garden rugby shorts pair perfectly with the Art Legacy button down. The embroidery really makes them unique. Combined with the elastic drawstring waist made them a must-have. Unfortunately, the Bodhi shorts are sold out, but I link below an alternative. Last but not least are the Salehi Bembury Crocs. Salehi Bembury is one of my favorite designers, and I've always wanted to pick these up. I've seen them countless times around New York City and love how they make your outfit look more rugged and outdoorsy. These are the only Crocs I'd wear. They're really comfortable, and be sure to go a full size down because they run big. Once again, thank you to Farfetch for getting me right before summer with timeless pieces from some of my favorite brands. Be sure to check out these pieces in the description box and use code JOSSY10 for 10% off.
I push back the serious feeling, the end's unknown, to get back the life I used to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly